Bring soft, modern style to your bath with the Danika tub and shower combination from MOEN. Simple control is at your fingertips with the MOEN PosiTemp pressure balancing valve, designed to help maintain water temperature in the shower, even if other water in your home is in use. Available in chrome or spot-resist brushed nickel, the set also features a multifunction handheld shower that easily threads onto your shower arm, with 5 settings, creating a little something for everyone. A relaxing or energizing massage, wide spray jet, wide spray relaxing massage combo, or a wide spray energizing massage combo. The Danika tub and shower from MOEN. Buy it for looks, buy it for life.